Ever wondered what makes Indonesian fried rice, also known as Nasi Goreng, so distinctive and loved around the globe? It's a symphony of flavors, a delightful dance of textures, and an absolute joy to prepare. Picture this: a wok heated to the perfect temperature. Into it goes a generous glug of oil, swirling around, eager to imbue every morsel of food with its warmth. But what's next? The aromatic triumvirate of garlic, shallots, and chilies. Chopped finely, they sizzle as they hit the oil, releasing their fragrant essence into the air. Now, imagine adding in some diced chicken or shrimp, or even tofu for our vegetarian friends. The protein of choice cooks until it turns golden, absorbing the flavors of the aromatic base. But what about our star of the show? Enter the rice. Ideally, it's cooked and cooled from the day before, waiting patiently for its turn in the spotlight. The grains tumble into the wok, stirring and tossing with the other ingredients, each grain soaking up the flavors. Now the magic really begins. A splash of sweet soy sauce, a dash of fish sauce, and a sprinkle of salt. These seasonings mix with the rice, transforming it from plain to flavorful, from ordinary to extraordinary. It's not over yet. An egg, cracked right into the wok, stirs into the rice. It's a ballet of sorts, the egg weaving its way through the grains, coating them with a delicious richness. And finally the garnish, a handful of crisp fresh green onions sliced thinly. They add a pop of color and a burst of freshness to our Nasi Goreng. And there you have it, Indonesian fried rice, a dish that's as versatile as it is delicious. It starts with a base of aromatic garlic, shallots, and chilies, followed by your protein of choice. Then cooked and cooled rice enters the scene, seasoned with sweet soy sauce, fish sauce, and salt. An egg adds richness and texture, and green onions provide a fresh finish. The beauty of Nasi Goreng lies not just in its flavors, but also in its simplicity. It's a dish that's easy to make, yet every bite takes you on a culinary journey. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, cooked with care and attention, resulting in a dish that's truly greater than the sum of its parts. A dish that's not just food, but a celebration of culture, a tribute to tradition, and a delight to the senses. So the next time you're in the mood for a culinary adventure, why not try your hand at Indonesian fried rice? It's a dish that promises not just a meal, but an experience that's as enriching as it is delicious.